Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily increase a Snapchat score like really super fast in 2020. So the first step I recommend is write your Snapchat in a comment and let's just reply each other with other people who are going to watch this video, and you can add each other and then you can just easily send yourself a snap so you can increase your score. Another way is just what you want to do is just find your friends, right? Or find some really celebrities like Casey Neistat or someone, and they never open the snaps, so you can just spam them and you can really increase your Snapchat score. So that's what's really helpful. But I recommend really great way is just like this video, write in a comment your snap so people can snap you, and the people who are going to comment you can snap them back, and you can snap between each other and increase your score. That's what I think is the best way, and honestly many people are doing that, so I recommend you also go this way, and it's kind of effective. So this is how you can increase your score. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe, but don't forget, write down below your snap and people are going to comment you on the comment to increase your score and also increase their score. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.